Marcus, is your only purpose in life throwing tank?
No, he was right. I forgot to hit the start button. So, this guy is trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now, I mixed that one up kind of thoroughly.
It's not about how thoroughly you mix it up. It never will be.
What is it about then?
It's me trying to get it to a specific position and then solve it from there. Because once I get into that position, I will solve it every time.
How do you get it into the position that you want, regardless of the way I mix it up?
Because the first setup sets me up for the second one, sets me up for the third one, fourth, fifth, etc. And then at the end of all those setups, it's just solved.
You're not making sense to me.
If it's not making sense to you, that's way too bad for you.
That was convenient for me.
I said, hey, what's up, gumbo?
Alright.
So far, it's been 1 minute.
1 minute and 49 seconds.
That's in the back.
It looks like he's mixing it up more.
Yeah. And then you realize I'm not. That's all it is, really. And that way. Oh, right. Do it again.
Wait.
You didn't solve it.
I know. I had to set it up so I could do it again.
You're going to do it again? What do you mean do it again? It was solved.
No, it wasn't.
It looked like it was... Oh, okay, I couldn't see the other side.
Now it's solved.
What? He did this in 2.5 minutes.
Look here. Good.
Who are you and where did you come from?
I wish 2.5 minutes were a good time.
Dad, look at me. Look at me. Dad, look at me. No, I don't want to be recorded.